Page 7, Our Journey. In this lesson, they're introducing you to the keyboard. Isn't that handy? I think most everyone knows what a keyboard looks like. Keep in mind the black keys. You see the patterns? There's a pattern of 2, and there's a pattern of 3, and they alternate 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's kind of important. This lesson, we're going to deal with the pattern of 2, the 2 black keys. Any 2 black keys, doesn't matter. So 2 here, and there's 2 here, and there's 2 here. Okay. They don't sound real good together, but hey, that's music. What do you expect? That's what we're doing here. Instead of tapping, we're going to play 2 black keys. Any 2 black keys. I don't recommend going low. Yuck. I recommend coming up here, maybe playing them up here somewhere. But you're going to use both hands, so it's just alternating. So it's this hand, this hand. You notice the finger numbers they give you? The left hand fingers is 3, 2. They always, the bottom, the lower, this is going down. This is going up. So the lower one is toward the down. They always give that number first. Well, it's on the bottom. They're in the same order. Are you confused yet? I'm working on it. So the first one, the left hand, it says 3, 2 or 2, 3 if you're reading top to bottom. A lot of times in music, we actually read from bottom to top. But top to, you're just fingers 2 and 3, 3 and 2 or whatever, and you put them on black keys, and that's what you're doing. Your hand is in that position. And the right hand, same thing here, 2 and 3. So we're using fingers 2 and 3. We'll get the other fingers later. This is it here. And we're just going back and forth. That's all that is. Isn't that fun? Oh, I think you can handle that okay. And there are quarter notes. And you'll notice the quarter notes are a little off. They're not exactly up and down. Normally, when you play notes at the same time in music, the notes will be right up and down. But when they're next to each other like this, there isn't room. They would overlap. So instead of overlapping, they just offset them a little bit. But they fall on the same count. So you play them at the same time. I could say, well, they're connecting, play them at the same time, and that's true, sort of, but really the reason you play them at the same time is because they fall on the same count. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Sort of like that. I'll explain a little more about these symbols as we go through the book. I don't want to add any more than I have to. This is what this lesson is about. We're using these fingers on these notes, and we're playing quarter notes. Think you can handle that, I hope. Let's play it together. There's a duet part at the bottom. I'm going to play that, and you play these things. I suggest maybe you play these down here, because the duet part is using these notes up here, and it'll sound better if you're down here and not using the same notes. Wherever you want. I mean, you go down here if you want. It doesn't matter, but well, okay. Now, the duet part, don't let this throw you. I'm not playing the same rhythm you are. I'm not playing straight quarter notes. So you have to listen to me to stay with me, but you have to focus on what you're doing. You're only playing on the beat. 1, 1, 1. That's where you're playing. 1, 1, 1. Or down, down. 1, 1, 1. You have to focus on that because I am playing twice as fast. And I don't want to throw you on that. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. And then let's play this together. I need you to play that journey thing twice. So when you get to the end of it, play the whole line again. 1, 2, ready, go.